guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Roger here once again, and we're in for a surprise. I'm going to do something really healthy for a change. It's going to be a piece of fish. It's going to be a salmon fillet, cooked with lemon and honey. So delicious, so easy, and fairly reasonably priced too. While we're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit the bell, hit the button, and we're good to go. So let's stop talking and let's start cooking. So we're going to make a start by placing some kitchen foil on a worktop. On that we place our lovely salmon fillet, season it up with some sea salt and some lovely gorgeous freshly cracked black pepper. On that goes, and then of course we need our honey. This is a really delicious runny honey. Then we're going to flip it over and do the same on the other side. But now we're going to add some lemon juice. Now you could use fresh, but at this point in time it's easier for me to use it out of a bottle. Now we need to tightly wrap this up to keep all the flavours in while it's cooking. Seal the end over like this, and then it's off to the oven. Preheated to gas mark 5 for 15 minutes. Now while the salmon is cooking, I'm going to prepare the salad. I've got some lovely crispy lettuce with some sliced up cherry tomatoes sprinkled over the top, and then we're going to add some thinly sliced spring onions. Place them on the top of that, and then we place on the star of the show a lovely cooked salmon. And we mustn't forget to put on a sprinkling of those delicious juices that are left in the tinfoil parcel. Wow, delicious, so much intense flavour. And now comes the best part, it's time for dinner. Now that is one tasty piece of salmon, so delicious, so flavoursome, so easy to cook. Don't forget to try this recipe for yourself, guys. And please don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Just click the button, click the bell, and we're up and running. See you all again next time for the next recipe. Bye from me, and bye from my kitchen.
It was like